Guys, it's me, Microprime here, back on a video, and today I'm going to review the Line Collection Green Dino Charge, and in space, it's Pink Rangers. Yup, I got them, and I reviewed them. By the way, thanks for still watching, because, I am reviewing Line Collection figures. Let's go with Dino Charge Green first. Now, he's got some good weapons here. And by the way, it's the Green Dinosaurs Ranger. Beautiful artwork. You can see him, the logo. And by the way, a plain picture. And let's look at the Pink Ranger. She's got some cool weapons. And awesome picture of her. And by the way, this is cool. Let's get them open up and take a closer look. Alright guys, we got them in the boxes, and by the way, this is what they look like. And I'll review them. And by the way, let's start with him. Riley is this cool Green Ranger from Dino Charge. His full name's Riley Griffin. And he comes with Dinosaurs Morpher. And one thing would have been nice to add is this thing on the other side too, and the eyes. But, things would be nice. It's slightly painted. And, he's cool. By the way, he comes with this thing of the Velociraptor. And his belt buckle is pretty nice right here. That carries the Dino Charger's shoulder pad. And by the way, he comes with this green special effect piece, the lightning. And, everything's cool. Let's remove the weapons for now. By the way, he's very cool. I love these gloves. Are so plain on the wrists. You can move the arms like this. Arms go up and down. You can do this. And by the way, move the head 360. But yeah, and it's cool that Riley can kick. You can move his feet like this and move his legs. By the way, this is cool. And forgot to mention something. He does come with some special extra hands you can put on, but I'm not gonna put them on the figure because I want to review the Pink Ranger next. By the way, this is all I have to show. Holding the weapon, a unique pointy here of the saber. Well, never mind that. Let's review Pink Ranger next. Wait, I almost forgot something. Hey guys, now here it is. Riley. And by the way, he's cool. He's a blonde, by the way, and everything's cool. And let's get a look at Cassie. aka the pink in Space Ranger. Alright guys, this took some time, but here it is. You can move the head 360 and move this body. You can move the legs up and down, and by the way, everything's cool. Here's the Astro Blaster with the logo. That looks like an envelope. And here's the antenna thing. By the way, the arms can move up and down like this. And by the way, everything's cool. There's a skirt. You can move up and down right here. By the way, this is just how it was made. And it comes with these hands. A karate chop hand and, oh, you know. And here's the head it comes with. By the way, everything's cool about this figure. Alright guys, this took some time. And everything's cool. Hey guys, this is alright. The green Dinosaurs Ranger, Riley, and the pink In Space Ranger. They're cool. Cassie. And I reviewed them, and what I thought odd about them is that they're cool, and I'm glad they come with a lighting effect piece like always for every Ranger. And by the way, everything's cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. McBammer out.